only certain people will understand why it's spelled K-A-Y-E, but yeah. Anyways, I'm going to Italy tomorrow, my flight to Germany, and then we have a layover there, and then we're going to Italy, or I think Venice. I have no idea what our itinerary is. I didn't even like look at it, but today's the 8th actually, so I didn't actually go to school because I have to do something, and then I have to get last minute things like an adapter because I got like the wrong adapter, and just like snacks and maybe shoes. So I just wanted to start off this intro, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Their PIN in the mail so that they can vote online. There's a 2-step verification code for.
So I look hella whack right now because I have a turtleneck, and then I have like my necklaces, and then I have to wear, like, this is mandatory, this sweater thing at the airport. It just has Roman numerals, Italia, because we're in Italy, you know, and then Notre Dame at the bottom. So we have to wear this. My whole outfit's supposed to be like all black, but that's not gonna work, and I dropped something, so yeah. So this is just my hand carry. It's just a Nike duffel bag. Inside I just have a big ass sweater, running shoes, adapter that I got yesterday, and then my formal outfits, and then at the bottom is an extra outfit, and then I also have like my medication, turtleneck, what else is in here, my wallet, stuff like that. This is only weighing like 5 pounds, I think. I'm gonna wear these shoes. I just picked them up yesterday. Fanny pack, Herschel's. This is where I have my wallet. My passport is in here. I got my Welch's, you know, if you know me, I need my Welch's. This is euros. I got my euros in there. I got my Canadian dollars in here, and like IDs. I'm wearing this jean jacket, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just like weighing my suitcase for last minute things because I don't want any problems at the airport, and yeah.
Take away the big shirts, the tattoos, the sweatpants and Vans. Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my hands. My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl.
Yay, we made it in! Woo! Oh my god! Why is it like this? I don't like it. We just arrived. Emily's over here. We're waiting for our airplane to come. We're trying to figure out the seats as well. Well, she's searching it up. I'm 57J. She's like H. Emily's like K.
HJK are beside each other.
What? HJK?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Well, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J.
If it's like
Scrabble,
that,
I'm sleeping.
So we're actually inside, finally. We had to go through so many people, it was actually insane. I actually had to sign my passport because I'm 18. Yes, look at this action. Okay, Emily. Yes.
Are we supposed to be like...
I don't even know where a teacher is, but okay. We're on the plane.
Is there a mask? What is this?
is there?
Melanie, do you mind moving that?
It's a blanket.
Stop vlogging and help.
This girl
It's a blanket,
is so
I think.
stressful.
I'm sitting.
I'm moving in T-2 seconds.
T-minus 2 seconds.
Am I a professional vlogger yet? No.
Yeah, but like she
Panorama. Canadian.
So like she has a big thing that's up there.
flag.
Like it's her bag.
What the heck? Where's Killy at?
World? Oh no, honey, no, honey. Is there no rap? Okay, there's no rap.
Are you having chicken or pasta?
We just got our food. Oh my god, this girl with her flashlight. This girl with her.
The local time is 10:05. Please remain seated in your seatbelt fastened and your hand baggage stowed. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thank you, Germany. It says welcome to Germany.
Emily, why do you have so many pillows? Look, she has like 4 pillows. Emily.
Can you stop?
Hi, sir. Hello.
Can you see?
Hi, sir. Can't see me, but hi, sir. Got our next boarding pass from 2019. She's
Okay,
2019.
my personal information can be on there.
This is Emily Carpino.
Can you go away? Oh, look at the guy.
We're about to go to Venice. Finally. Heading to our second plane. Just got in. Just got all of our luggages. Finally rolling it. Yay! So this is our door. It's pretty small. We're sharing it with 3 people, but it's all good. We have a cabinet over there, some artwork over there. We have like, what are these? Like 2 twin beds like put together, and then like another twin bed over there.
Yeah.
And then a desk, a mirror. Oh, we're going to church. And this girl's brushing her teeth. We're going to church, so we have to dress like formal. And like everyone's like, oh, I'm wearing jeans, and I'm just here like, I only have leggings, so we're dealing with that.
Really living for the vlog.
Yeah. Okay.
Not like this.
And then our view. Supposedly the beach is over there, but I can't see it. So that's a nice view. I'm really hungry, and supposedly everything's closed, so I'm sad, but whatever. We'll figure it out. This is our view from our balcony, and like the beach is right over there, but we're not gonna walk there because it's gonna be cold. It's actually really cold. We came back and we can't open the door. We were here for like 5 minutes.
And we're still here.
She's about to break it. Yay! See
How
the
many
vlog?
times did I have to turn?
Look at the flick of the wrist. We're heading to mass. All of us are going to mass. I'm really tired, but I'm gonna push through it, Emily. I'm gonna push through it. We just ended mass. It was really good. Okay, y'all. I'm ending the vlog here because I'm hella tired. We just walked 30 minutes from a church all the way to our hotel.
Speed walked.
And now we're gonna have dinner, and they only gave us 10 minutes to change. This is what I'm wearing. Wow, wow, so cute, so cute. Bun. Yes, Emily's panting over there. I'll end it. Maybe film our food.
No,
but
we're not.
yeah, that's it.
Not
Good
in
night.
front of
See you
work.
tomorrow.
Not today.
Yeah. What's my outro, guys? Okay, bye.